Welcome back. We are now inside of the Creator Studio, and the first thing that you're going to see on the left side is going to be your content library. And if you click that link, you're going to notice that you're going to see the videos that you have posted across your pages inside of your content library. You will not see the videos that you have posted to your personal page, nor will you see the videos that are posted to your Facebook groups. But what you can do inside of your content library is you can upload videos. So for example, if we were to click this upload button, we can then upload our video to any of our pages. Once we've written our identifying information, we can then click publish. Now you'll notice that when we click the publish button, we have 4 choices. We can publish now, we can premiere the video, we can schedule it for the future, or we can even backdate the video. And once we have the video, what we can do is we can go back to these 3 dots. We can edit our post. We can then click on this button, and what we can do is we can auto-generate an image as our thumbnail, or we can add an image for our thumbnail. And we can add that image from our hard drive, and if we don't like it, we can change it again. We can then click the distribution button. We can then choose other pages where we want to cross-post our video. In order to do that, we'll need to add the pages here inside of our page so that we will then be cross-posting with other pages, specifically with the pages that we designate. If we need to add titles and subcaptions, we can do that in this area. And we can then add in any custom labels that will help other people to find the video when they're looking through Facebook. And once we've published the video, what we can do is we can go back inside of this publish button and we can choose a scheduled date in the future that the video is going to expire. Once we've determined what we want the videos to be, we can then click save. Of course, we can then take that video, we can click the share button, and we can share that video to a specific page or share inside of a group. And in this case, we can pick one of our existing groups and then click post. And then our video will not only be inside of our page, but it will also be inside of a group in which we manage. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.